Hello guys, how are you? Wish you a warm welcome to our channel, also our family, freecourses.com. So today we will talk about some premium and bestseller courses, okay, of Udemy. So many one asks me a question that so does Udemy courses really have any value? So I am telling you one thing, guys. If you gain knowledge, not certificate, if you gain knowledge, yeah, Udemy also provide you certificate, okay, which show that yeah, you will complete this course successfully and you got the certificate. You also got the certificate only overlook this video, okay, only once you visit this video, then one time later uh, visit this video, then at this time you will be left this video and you will go to this that video, okay, you will be does not successfully complete this course, okay, you also get in this way you also get certificate, okay. But if you gain knowledge at totally free of cost, okay, if you got some premium courses, okay, which does not get premium and which are really very bears really valuable courses, okay, and totally free of cost, so Udemy is a best platform for you, okay. If I mistake any word or if I, any type of is by me, please forgive me guys, please forgive me. But I'm telling you one thing, guys. If you gain knowledge, so Udemy is a Udemy is a best platform for you, okay. Why not? If you give provide the platform which provide you knowledge, okay, totally free of cost, why not? This platform, yeah, but in this platform the uh, popular teachers, okay, and popular institutes which design this course, okay. So it is my opinion, guys. I hope anyone will be agree with me or anyone will be disagree with me. Everyone, every persons have their own opinion, okay, I'm respect this, okay, I'm telling you my opinion, okay. If you gain knowledge, so go to this Udemy, okay. So that's why, guys. So let's start as our today's video. First one is the Python programming from basics to advanced, okay. Those who are will be our uh, new subscribers are known that. So I am every day I am sharing you this type of courses, valuable courses like Udemy. I also some webinars, okay. So Python programming from basics to advanced, okay. So the Python, those who are quite interested to learn the Python programming, what are the basics of Python programming and go to the advanced level, I am that one reason, guys, why I am attaching this course. This will be a lot of the new things will be attached in this course, okay. So you will be provide 8 hour on demand video, okay. I know you will be know that after successfully completion you get a certificate, okay. So which you show in your resume, these are the common words. But in this course, these will be created by the combined by the two, Deepesh Sharma and Lagot Digital University, okay. So 1 lakh students are already 1 lakh plus students are already enrolled for it. The course setting is quite good there, okay. So if you quite interested to learn Python programming, because Python programming is use a brief field, okay, in many industry, okay. So if you interested for it, go to this course, guys. Move on to the next course. Next is the JavaScript, creating the loan EMI calculator. So it is a very, I think it is a very, you can say it is a very interesting course. That's why I am attach this course with my video, because in today's world, everyone will be in any time, okay, in this life, in any point of time, he takes some home loan. It will be home loan, car loan, gold loan, anything, okay. So I hope those who are quite interested how the EMI calculator will be built, okay. So those who are quite interested or those who are in this programming field, okay, I hope you will be interesting for it. How you will be creating in your hands, okay, a EMI calculator. So that's why, guys, um I am attaching this course with my video, okay. So JavaScript, creating a loan EMI calculator hands-on complete course. It will be fully complete course. They will teach you a step-by-step procedure how you can create these different scenarios of calculator. 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access. Okay. Move on to the next one, guys. Next one is the Golang complete course. Okay. So Golang, I hope you will be heard this name. Okay. If you not, that does not any worried about this. Okay, Golang. Golang is a programming language. Go programming language. It is a programming language of Google. Okay, so 12,000 students are already enrolled for it. If you're quite interested to learn how the basic syntax, implementations, expression, methods, arrays, the basics, and also the advanced level of Go programming language, go to this course, guys. This course will be offering you approx 10 hours on demand video. It will be enough for you. One day left at this price. Okay, if you really interested for it, go to this course. And another important point, guys, this course will be recently updated, recently published, and also updated for 2021. Okay, guys. So move on to the next one. The next one is the sourcing Alibaba and how to sell on Amazon FBA private level. Okay. So this course will be, I hope you'll be heard this name Alibaba. Alibaba is a big e-commerce website, and Amazon also the world's large e-commerce website. How you can sell, it will be totally in the business field. Okay, if you are quite interested how the this type of works done. Okay, so a step by step guide to source the Alibaba, start Amazon AI9 algorithm, masters Amazon product launch PPC. Okay, so how this type of e-commerce site will be work. Okay, what is the algorithm behind this? Okay, in this course they will teach you step by step guide. Okay, 5.5 hour on demand video. Okay, this course is recently updated for 2021. Okay, this in this course they will teach you a step by step process. Okay, how the algorithm works and many small things. Okay, in brief way. Okay, full lifetime access. I hope you will be known about this. So move on to the next one. Next one is the mastering the complete agile Scrum Masters workshop. So the agile, okay, agile Scrum is why the agile Scrum is most powerful. Others agile Scrum frameworks, base practicals, roles, challenges. Those who are in this IT software field, okay, I hope heard this name Agile. Who does not heard this name, does not any worried about this. Okay, learn Agile Scrum Master concept of 2020 and 2021. Okay, this course will be the rating will be 4.0. Okay, out of 5. 73,000 students are already enrolled for it. If you're quite interested how the agile works, okay, so attend the workshop. Okay, this workshop will be 3.5 hour, okay, workshop. After completion of this workshop, you get a certificate. Okay, and this workshop will be contain 2 articles and 16 downloadable resources. Move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the check the power firewall. Okay, so this course will be totally in the network and security. Okay, so if you are quite interested how the how the develops checkpoint 3 tier topology and how the configure the checkpoint from scrap, okay, from scratch. If you are quite interested in the network and security field and how this type of checkpoint firewall works, okay, in the world of enhance the technology for the hardware virus, trojan, malware, spamware, I want to be your firewall. Okay, so virus, to protect the virus, to protect from your computer to the virus. Okay, virus take care. Okay, so you'll be know this firewall. Okay, every wall will be install the antivirus, like antivirus in your computer. Okay, if you know about this how this type of framework works, checkpoint security, go to this course, enroll for it. This course will be including 4.5 hour on demand video. Move on to the next one, guys. Next one is the art of doing. This will be totally in the Android Studio Kotlin. Okay, development, mainly in the Android app development field. Okay, so you will be quietly interested for it. Masters for fundamental and begin the journey into Android application development today. I hope most of you will be quite interested. Go to this Android development and Android Studio field. Go to this course, guys. Today left at this part. This will be a very important course. This course is recently updated and does not worry about this. The recent updated things will be attached in this course. Okay, so that's why it is a very important course, guys. If you are quite interested in mobile app development, how the mobile app development works, and what is the Android Studio, go to this course. Okay, so they will teach you small things in very brief way. Okay, how you will design the app layouts using the linear and the constraint layouts, how you sorry, how you will be implement the navigation and the fragments into your application to your app dynamic. Okay, how you can implement the dynamic apps, how you will be implement view models and live data. Okay, and most important things, guys. Okay, the course, this course will be the 16.5 hour. It is a enough, guys, enough time. Okay, 16.5 hour on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile or TV. Okay, move on to the next one, the ultimate MSQL crash course 2021. MSQL database. If you are quite interested in web development, I hope you will have this name, MSQL database. So go to this course. This course is created by the web coding. Okay, it is a very good platform. So and the install again the easiest tool for starting with the MSQL, how you will be create the database and how you will be manage them and absorb some advanced part like joins, and how will we grab some knowledge about basic concept, okay, of MSQL, and how the constraints and how they works. Okay, this type of little things. Okay, 2 hours in this course, they will in this course it will be including 2 hour on demand video. In this course it will be 2 hour on demand video, one article, full lifetime access. Move on to the next one. Next one is the learn how to build an online dictionary with Django. I hope you'll be know the Django is a framework of Python. Okay, so how will we build an online dictionary? Okay, and I hope it will be interesting for it. You'll be quite knowledge about the Python programming language and know about this Django. In this course they will teach you 14 minutes on demand video. Okay, so I hope you'll be know about some knowledge about the Python programming language and setting up the Django project, how to build a dictionary with Django, web scraping with Python. Okay, so build a online dictionary. Okay, so I this will be a project point of view. Okay, 40-minute on demand video. You'll be quite interested for it. Go to this course. Next course. It will be a most demandable course, guys. I'm saying you, this will be a most demandable course. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, okay, and blockchain. This will be a will be the future of the Indian IT. Not only for, sorry guys, not India, it will be the IT and the software future. So machine learning from the basics to advanced, learn to create the machine learning algorithms in Python, data science enthusiasm, and code templates include, okay, 3 hours on demand video. The course setting is 3.9. Okay, so this course is updated in the 7 2020, fully in English language. In this course they will teach you the yeah, I hope you will be known about this. There will be a lot of reach of libraries in Python. Master machine learning on Python, they will teach you how you will be advanced or will be a good in machine learning using the Python. Okay, there will be a master class using the scikit-learn, pandas, and lot of packages and libraries are in there in Python. So that's why Python will be used in brief in many industries. Okay, before in many industries, make the predictions using the linear regression, polynomial regression, multiple regression, make the accurate predictions. Okay, use the machine learning for the personal purpose. So move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the Python for machine learning with NumPy. NumPy is the library, and Pandas and Matplotlib. Matplotlib is mainly using to draw the you can say pie chart or pie gram. Okay, so learn the fundamentals of Python for efficiently using the data science. Refresh the Python basics with crash course. Use Python for data science and machine learning. Make use of NumPy and Pandas to implement the numerical algorithms. Make use of mainly the Pandas and NumPy are used for the numerical, how you can draw your, okay, how you can build your diagram and show this chart. Okay, to the company. Okay, learn to code in Python and how to use the. They will also teach you how you can efficiently use this type of libraries like NumPy, Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. By real-time machine learning project, they also show you some machine learning project. 7 hour on demand video, 7 downloadable resources. Move on to the next one, guys. Next one is the SQL Masterclass. SQL for the data analytics. The SQL course covering the basics to advanced level. SQL topics for SQL database. Post degree SQL and the issue of the SQL database for beginners. 2 lakh students are already enrolled for it. Okay, I hope you will be know about this. So take a 4.5 out of 5 rating. The course rating is quite good. Not only it is a outbusting rating. So 7.5 or on demand video. Next one is the guys data manipulation with the TPRL. It will be the highest rating course. This will be totally in the business analytics and intelligence. If you how the business works, what is the data frames using the various conditions, and how the business analytics goes. Okay, these type of things. Okay, using the R programming language. This will be the highest rating. Take a highest rating. Okay. 11,000 students are already enrolled for it. Go to this course, enroll for it if you're quite interested to learn the how will be design a business analytics and intelligence. So the next one is the guys. Next one is the learn the advanced bootstrap 4. It will be again a most demandable course. 2.5 hour on demand video. If you will go to that, if you will be looking for a good bootstrap 4, advanced bootstrap 4, go to this course, guys. It will be containing how will be easily build the animated websites from scratch using the bootstrap 4. The necessary skills and knowledge to quickly build the web pages using the bootstrap 4 and learn and masters to use the bootstrap 4 properties. Okay, the last one but not the least, advanced English grammar including English grammar tenses. Okay, if you are quite interested to learn how the how you can fluently spoke in English and know about this, what is the advanced English grammar, go to this course. Okay, so thank you to watching this video. Okay, and please guys, please subscribe our channel. Okay, and please this type of love with me. Okay, thank you guys for your cooperation with me. And another important thing, guys, uh, please guys, please share this video to your family and friends. Okay, if any type of mistake is done by me, please forgive me, guys, please. And thank you to all of you.